Alright, so last time you saw the van, I was doing the front axle. That was about 15 days ago. Since then, I've been prepping for a road trip. Since this whole outbreak happened, I've had more time to work on the van, and there are big plans coming up. So I'm going to take all this crap. I've got a bunch of crap, you can see stuff everywhere. Got food, got my bed, got the backup vehicle. There's a stove, but I'm not going to use that while I'm driving. So yeah, all this stuff. And I'm heading out to Colorado. If you notice, I put the spare tire back on the back. I had to fabricate a new mount. It's pretty beefy. I use 1.5-inch tubing with some custom hangers that are like double walled flat iron that's welded together. And this thing is, she is solid. Not going anywhere. I've changed every fluid in this thing that you can think of. Fresh brakes, new wipers because it's a rain. I guess it's like a tropical storm or something. Fresh inspection, and it passed. So yeah, we're ready. Gonna get in this beast and head out west. Alright, so I'm off. GPS zeroed out. Got a full tank of fuel. Plenty of voltage. Oil pressure's looking good. Temperature's not, but it'll be alright. It'll come up. Saying goodbye to Casey. We're cruising along real good. The weather sucks, but there's a train over there that's keeping pace with us. That's pretty cool. Of course, now when I pull the camera out, it's kind of tucked away in the trees. But yeah, we're making pretty decent time. I had to pee like crazy. Going 150 miles. And I'm just hoping to get out of this rain today. That would be super nice. So I ended up having to take a back road because 460 had a wreck. And this is going to be the prettiest road I've ever been on. Cliffs on the right and a nice flowing creek on the left. This road is amazing. I've gone 291 miles and gas is still looking good. I made it out of Virginia. I was planning to go straight from Virginia to Kentucky, but because of that accident, it pushed me up into West Virginia. Everything's alright. I'll tell you one thing. I'm sure glad that I have a manual up in the mountains, because I'm just kind of engine braking down the hill. The thing's kicking ass. So I just got to my first fill up. It says 341 miles, but it's really 365 because I got fuel prior to leaving, and I reset the trip odometer right when I left the house. But if I take 360 divided by 22 gallons, gives me 16 miles per gallon. Anyways, it's cold as crap outside, man. I bet you it's like 40 degrees. So I'm gonna get in that Walmart parking lot, utilize my bottle, pee jug, and put some warmer clothes on, because holy shit, it's cold. We're in Kentucky! Woo! Moving along. So it's 10 o'clock. I know an early quit from the driving, but this is so dark here in Kentucky in the passes. I'm stopped at a rest stop. I'm gonna get some shut-eye until the morning. No, it's not even a rest stop, it's a gas station with a truck stop. So I'm tucked away. We're gonna catch some rest. Whew. It got cold last night, probably down to the 40s. Stopped at the double twink. Just kind of parked over near the grass. Wait for the van to idle up and warm up, and then I'm gonna hit the road. 541. I've got my coffee, I fixed my hair. I went to McDonald's to take a McDump, and they weren't too happy about me sneaking in. I'm having a bit of an issue. I'm in Kentucky. every time I hit the brakes, my radio turns off. I had a wire that was disconnected in the back off of the light. Something shifted around and took it out, so I fixed that. But my radio still is acting weird. But for the time being, I've got a portable speaker stuffed into the glove box. Second gas stop of the trip. We've gone 335 miles. I stopped because it was a heck of a deal and I want to stretch my legs. I got 21 gallons, so 335 divided by 21 is 15.95. So still just about 16 miles a gallon, which is pretty good for a van on 35s. I'm gonna get back to it. It's the Mississippi River! Woo! I haven't turned in like 20 miles. It's been straight. 65 and straight. Alright, third time getting fuel. I'm in the middle of Missouri. I've been maintaining about 65 the whole way. And we went 352 miles, filled up with 21.9 gallons, and got 16 miles per gallon. Seeing a trend coming.
Last night I slept in a Walmart in Lamar, Missouri. It's kind of like a Walmart / truck stops. Like, there's trucks all around me. So there's trucks over there. There's back over there, and there's the Walmart. I slept great though, man. I needed that. It got real dark in Missouri. I was on the back road, so I didn't know where the hell I was. Put all the curtains up. Everything did great. Cracked that, and I cracked my driver and passenger window, and I slept so nice. But anyways, I'm gonna go find me some coffee. Oh, I have to fix my tail lights because my brake lights aren't working. I found that out last night. So, coffee, tail lights.
Alright, so troubleshooting the electronics on this thing. I fixed the radio and the brake lights, but I had to figure out a way to see the brake lights while in the van. So I had a couple blown fuses, and my trailer harness was acted up, so I just cut the whole thing out. But here's how I tested it. Put my phone on the spare tire carrier. It works. I got my coffee to celebrate victory of brake lights. Yes! We got into a bit of rain, but I'm glad it cleaned the window off. I just got fuel. It was a pretty good deal, $1.90 for a gallon of diesel. We went 372 miles and I put 24 gallons into it, so 15.5 miles per gallon. But our average speed so far has been around 60 to 65, so we're moving. Kansas is wild. Nothing miles. Crazy. I don't think I've ever seen this far on the land before. I can see the horizon. That's wild. I just got put under a severe storm watch because the weather's right for bad weather. So I'm trying to escape Kansas before it traps me. Man, these old power lines over here are mangled. Destroyed they are. And those clouds. Oh man. Just got a little bit of rain, but we're like 10 miles from the state line. That's the storm over there. We look like we're just sneaking by it. Getting over the wave before it crashes. All right. We made it to Colorado. That storm's getting bigger. It's over there, but we don't have to worry about it now. We're good. That John Denver was full of shit, man. That thing grew so massive, so fast. That's scary. I can't imagine living in a place for the final time of this trip, we went 372 miles, and I put in 24 gallons. So we got 15.5 miles per gallon, which is pretty impressive because I was trying to get away from that storm. I was not gonna lie, I was scared of it. So it's probably going like, I was in the 70s for sure. My max speed was 75, so we did all right. Almost there. I can taste the victory beer. This drives me. Makes me wish I went to 456 gears instead of 411s. We are struggling. I wish there was a gear in between second and third in the 465. Yeah, it's just beautiful though. Can't complain about the views. Almost there. Oh my gosh. I made it. I made it. Time to enjoy a beer. I missed my turn. It's okay, I'm close. We did it. 1,800 miles, 2.5 days, and only the fuse blowing issue. Ants. Goodness gracious.